Hello everyone, this is just a quick video just to show to you my shack when I go for shortwave DXing in the countryside. It's about 15 kilometers from my home, so I have my Tecsun PL310 connected now with this network cable wire antenna. This is a very good tip when you don't have two things. One, you don't have a jack to go to the shortwave external antenna, or you even doesn't have this external antenna jack. So you just wrap around the wire, and there you go. So I just now will go to show to you my wire antenna in the trees. So the wire goes down there, as you can see here, up in this tree. It's connected with this connector because the wire ends here, so I need a little extension to not have the radio up there in the tree. So the wire goes up almost at the top of the tree, goes down there. Let's focus. I think you can see the, let's go opposite side. You can see better now. So the wire goes down to the other tree, almost to the top, but the ladder doesn't go any further, so I tie it down around here in the center of the video, if you can see, and it's about 3 meters high. That's the best I can possibly go. So let me show about the length, about 15 meters or 10, not so, maybe 10 meters high. I think you can see now, and goes down to this tree, and the radio is down there. So thank you for watching. So see you in the next DX video. See you soon.